Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, gather an inventory of affected machines so you know scope and priority. You need OS versions and Defender builds. Once done, export current Defender policies and alert logs to a secure location because you may need to revert settings. Make sure you have one administrator account with network access to apply changes. Now that you're ready, proceed to the next slide and apply focused remediation steps to the endpoints. You now perform the core fixes. Update Defender definitions and the antivirus engine across the fleet so detections are current. Next, run full signature and cloud-delivered protection scans, and, where necessary, use an offline tool like Microsoft Safety Scanner to remove persistent threats. While scans run, adjust Defender policy settings centrally. Enable real-time protection, cloud-delivered protection, and controlled folder access. Avoid broad exclusions unless you document why and for how long. You complete the process by validating. Confirm each endpoint reports healthy status to your management console and shows 0 active threats. Once confirmed, reinstate stricter baseline policies, schedule recurring scans, and record every remediation step for audits. If a machine still misbehaves, collect targeted logs, Defender telemetry, MP client logs, and event viewer entries, and reproduce the failure with one test endpoint. If problems persist after log analysis, escalate to vendor support with your collected evidence so you can restore full protection quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.